Guys, so right now, you guys, good morning, guys. I'm gonna just clean up my car, so that's what I'm doing, cleaning out the car to get things organized for the big switch tomorrow. So that's what I'm doing. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, I'm just heading to my sister's place again. We're gonna have supper there, and we're also gonna have some fun and games tonight. Today's just been crazy busy today. Yep, so that's what we did. We cleaned up vehicle out for the big switch. So it's gonna be fun and exciting. What up, please? Guys, so right now, you guys, we're cleaning up the vehicle for tomorrow. Hey guys, look who's back!
I'm back. I'm tired, but I'm back. I'm back.
You're back,
I'm
you're
back.
back.
I'm back. I missed him.
I know you did.
You missed me. You know
Everyone missed you.
it. Did they really, though?
I don't know. Did they?
Probably not.
Did they?
Did gone!
Yes. That's at home alone without Rachel.
You missed me.
Of course. But today we're gonna end the video.
Yep.
I didn't do that much today.
No. No, we didn't.
I did not do that much. Did you do anything?
Did a lot today.
What did you do?
I went on an adventure with his sister. It was fun, yo.
Yeah, so that's
Yeah.
what we're doing. So it's Go Dogs Fun. Sign out. Peace,
Peace,
guys.
guys.
See you guys back here in the new future. Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye.